Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change or update payment on Disney Plus. So the first thing you need to know is you need to go to the application of Disney Plus and you need to pick here in login. After that, you need to put your email and your password, and you need to go to the option. In this part, I explained to you this through some screenshots, some photos. So after that, if you log in your account, you need to put in the part of account. This is a Spanish account. So in this part, cuenta, this is account in English, you pick here. And after that, you need to put here in suscripción in Disney Plus mensual. You pick here, and after that you need to put here in change the payment method, the cambiar. This is change. Here is the option of your debit or credit card. You pick in change in, and that's it. You can put another method of pay. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.